How to clear the memory of your Galaxy A16 phone. And this is going to free up memory, stop apps from running in the background, and have your phone move a bit faster. All right, so I'll show you where to go to find this feature, how to clear it out, and let's go. If you're new to Samsung and your phone has the One UI 7.0 update, use the quick access like this here, tap on the settings toggle right there to the top. And the fastest way to this feature is use the search. Type in the word memory, just type that in. You'll see the suggestion here and it's part of the device care. Once you go into that, it's gonna take you straight here. Now, when you're here now, you have two things you can do. Go ahead and select view more before you clear out everything. So let's just say there is an app that you want to continue running in the background. You don't want to refresh that app. You want it to have it constantly running in the background. So if there's an app like that, you can just uncheck it to prevent it from being cleared out. So just for example, maybe your phone is currently running or you're on the phone with someone else and you don't want to clear it out and suddenly the call ends. So just untoggle this one here just in case if it does that, and then you can clear out the memory. It's going to tell you how much megabits here or if in gigs, which shouldn't be because that's a lot. Clear it out. It's going to say it's cleaning. And after that, it's going to show you that it's all cleared up. Now, this is just something you would want to do every now and then. However, if you want to do this like every 2 to 3 hours, there's a widget that will allow you to do this with a tap of the widget. I'll show you where to go to find that now. To add this widget, which is the optimizing widget, you'll go ahead and long press a blank area on your home screen, go to widgets right there. Once you're here now, you'll see all the widgets found on your Galaxy A16 phone. So go down the list here until you see device care, this one right there. This is part of Samsung, so you don't need to install anything extra, and you have all of these here, okay? So what I like about these, they give you an overview of what's really going on. You can just add the one that has the option, the widget cleaning one, or you can have the one that gives you a preview of all the information here. So say I go with this here, I add it, it's gonna appear here like that. You can also hold it down and move it to another part of your phone if you want to do this here, okay? So it's not gonna work like clear out completely everything all the time, but it's like a quick refresh of your phone. So once you have that set there, you'll just tap there and you'll see the little widget icon thing here moving, and it's going to say your phone has been optimized every time you do this. So this is like a quick way of doing it instead of having to go into the main settings all the time. And ladies and gentlemen, if this guide helped you out in any way, like and sub.